Hey there, tech-savvy friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life a breeze. Today, we're tackling something super straightforward but essential: how to activate your Chime debit card in 2025. If you're a new Chime user or just received a fresh card, don't worry. This process is quick, secure, and hassle-free. By the end of this video, you'll have your card up and running in minutes, ready for all your spending needs. First things first, make sure you have everything you need. You'll need your Chime debit card, a smartphone or computer with internet access, and the Chime app installed. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, head to your app store and get it now. It's free and user-friendly. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Open the Chime app and log in to your account. If you're a new user, you'll need to create an account using your email and phone number. Once you're in, navigate to the Cards section, usually found on the home screen or in the menu. Step 2. Select your debit card from the list. If it's a new card, it might prompt you automatically. You'll be asked to enter some details, like the card number, expiration date, and the CVV code on the back. Double-check these for accuracy to avoid any errors. Step 3. Verify your identity. Chime prioritizes security, so you might need to confirm via a text message, email, or even a quick video chat. Follow the on-screen instructions. It's as easy as entering a code sent to your phone. Step 4. Once verified, hit that Activate button. You'll get a confirmation message, and just like that, your card is live. Test it out by making a small purchase or checking your balance to ensure everything's working smoothly. Now, a quick word on troubleshooting. If you run into issues, like an error message, make sure your app is updated to the latest 2025 version. Contact Chime support through the app. They're available 24/7 and super helpful. Remember, activating your card is crucial for fraud protection and seamless transactions. There you have it, folks. Activating your Chime debit card in 2025 is a simple process that puts you in control of your finances. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more how-to guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Stay savvy.